Hello, everybody. It is that time of year again, open enrollment for Medicare. And we've got to go through a couple of things, three things actually that are most important. First thing is there are some good changes from 2024 to 2025. There are some bad things as well, but we'll go through those on an individual basis. The good things are overall. So there's going to be a link in this message that you're receiving, right, to click on that'll show you the differences between 2024 to 2025, especially with regards to prescriptions. Number two, how to make an appointment, because that's going to be very important right now. If you look, I have right down here, down there, from October 1st until December 7th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks I have to see roughly 3,000 people. That's a lot. So we're trying to be as organized as we possibly can. So if you look up here, it says to book an appointment. This is my website, www.hisfoundation.info. I know I'm talking fast, but you'll be able to play this video over again. Then you go there, you just click on book an appointment. Once you do that, you're looking for Medicare insurance, right? Click select, and then you have in-home, in-office phone appointments. I do want you to know I do still do in-home appointments. Usually they're for shut-ins. I do have an office at 110. You see in here, 110 Linden Oaks. My office is right in on the ground floor, so there are no steps, no elevators. You can actually park. There is a saved parking spot for my clients right out front. So you park, walk in 10 steps, open the door. It says His Foundation on the door. Walk right in, sit down. We have our appointment. So I've made it as simple as I possibly can. Or we can just do it over the phone, and I can show you how these things are done. All right, so in-home, in-office phone appointments. Click on select. And you pick your day, the 10th, the 14th. Remember, we cannot meet before October 1st. October 1st is the first day. That's why I'm kind of giving you much time, because the time is going to book up really, really fast. I'm usually going from 8 o'clock in the morning to right around 9 o'clock at night. And then you pick your time, and then you have to put in your first name, last name, cell phone number, so that you can receive the text. The text, if you're coming to my office, will have a Google link. You just touch on that. It'll pop up Google Maps to show you how to get here. Your email, so you can get the confirmation, right? And then your street address. Now, I do need you to know you're going to receive 2 emails. Email number 1 is going to be the confirmation for this appointment. Email number 2 is going to be something I absolutely need. The Center for Medicaid and Medicare Services, CMS, is requiring to get something called a scope of appointment. Basically, it is an SOA. It's a letter that says it is okay for me to talk to you about Medicare. That's really all it is. They think that that's a good idea. So what's going to happen is once you put your email in here, it's going to email you the form already filled out. You don't have to do anything. It'll be a DocuSign document. You just click the yellow button 4 times. All right, click it 3 times, then the 4th is a finish. It'll close the document. It'll send the document to me automatically. I will save it for the next 10 years according to the rules, and then you're done. So please, after you make this appointment, check your email, the one that you put in here. All right, number 2 thing is, if you go back up here, my website. I know most of you like to just come in and sit down, and we'll go through your medications, we'll go through your doctors, we'll figure out what plan is best suited for you with what you have coming up this year. Some of you like to do your research and go on to either Medicare.gov or go wherever it is that you want to go to do the checking, look at the lifespan papers or whatever it is you're doing. I try to make it easier for you this year. If you go to my website, again, the hisfoundation.info, you go to Medicare plans. All right, now, obviously, this can't be full-blown working until October 1st because it has next year's plans. But you go here. That's my name, my number, my email address, my phone, so you can just click on that and call me. Medicare, you put in your zip code. It'll show you up your county. Continue to quote. You go right to View Plans. You can skip all the information. Go right to View Plans, and then you can pick your plans. Like, let's say we want to compare this Blue Cross Blue Shield plan with a Humana Gold plan. Right? Come down here, hit Compare Plans, and it will pull them side by side. So you can see, now this is fake data. It's not the real data. It won't be real until October 1st. Right? But at least here you'll be able to show your plans, and I can walk you through all of these things. Okay? That was the number 2 thing. So number 1, how to book the appointment. Number 2, how to do this and get the SOA. Please, please, please get through these things now so that at least we have some time to meet. And be sure that you have a list of your prescriptions ready so we can choose the least expensive plan for your prescription needs. I hope you're doing well, and I look forward to seeing you in about 4 weeks. Bye.